The Chief Executive Member of the TTAADC Runiel Debbarma visited the remote Ananta Para Sikari Bari village under the Kulai Champahour constituency on Friday. The visit highlights the new administration's focus on addressing long-standing infrastructure gaps in neglecting rural pockets. The Chief Executive Member was accompanied by local MDC Rajeshwar Debbarma and several regional leaders. For many years, the residents of Ananta Para Sikari Bari have faced extreme isolation due to the lack of proper all-weather road connectivity. After assessing the local conditions firsthand and interacting with the villagers, the Chief Executive Member Runiel Debbarma assured the community that administrative hurdles would be cleared immediately. He committed to completing the pending road construction project on a priority basis by the end of December 2026. Beyond infrastructure reviews, the visit took an emotional turn as the CEM walked through the village to meet the residents directly. The Chief Executive Member visited the residence of an elderly ailing village woman, offering immediate personal financial assistance to help cover her medical expenses. Financial aid and support resources were also extended to the villagers in the locality. Commenting on the visit, local MDC Rajeshwar Debbarma highly praised the Chief Executive Member's hands-on approach.
TTAADC Honorable Chief Executive Member Runiel Debbarma, bini first visit of maiden visit after assuming of chair as Chief Executive Member TTAADC. Monka Ananta Para Sikari Bari ADC village under 10 Kulai Champahour ADC constituency. Oro joto high official tongoro, sini deputy CEO tongo, sini JDU sep tongo, sini oro party ani colleagues rok tongbo oro. Zonal sub-zonal chairman rok, tai ononno sini rank and file logoro tongo. Oroni bor rok lama bagi kubi problem, election camping jorok hakya, borok mokol mukti chiklai no kok saka bong lama hamya. An bagi first sing tini kubi lucky hinmano sini honorable Chief Executive Member bo ani request bo oro hakya bini omo kubi significant is a milestone sekang rogo kuno minister kuno public representative of paroge visit khaiman kri abono tini saka oron kamini borok obo kaisa history o kaisa milestone ta remarkable ekta day sini baginai karon bor belek kanu khushi inka bele happy inka o sini Chief Executive Member saka je bo within November and December of this year bo oro black top khanan baginai bo samu khainai tai bad baki state government o take up khainai jate kore oroni kamini borok lama ni bagi problem yati lama ka sini borok ni sabse prothom condition jeta lama kriye kuno develop khaiman ya on bagi mo lama no sung kaham ke khaina bagi no saitok nai ang personally oroni representative ngai ang mo take up khainai obono tini ang bo personally belai heavy jetu sini honorable CM o kami bises claim hai asuk distress omo far farlang area hani mano o jaga khaimani bagi nai belai hambai thank you obo main route by 2 kilometers habja komo ekdom momo tam honai long drive pahar ni bisingo mo ekdom long drive mane range ta mo.
MDC Rajeshwar noted that the leader's humility coupled with immediate financial generosity towards the needy reflects a positive and dedicated direction for the overall development of the Tripura society. Reporter by Boyar from Kulai, Chini, Khorang.